Epic Flows Production.
Epic Flows.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yo, what go and charge it?
Yo, what's good, bro? You got the stuff?
Then no boss man. That's the reason I call you.
Yeah?
Man, tell you charge it. It thing burns smooth, me I tell you. I best watch this you ever prepare. You see me? It have a look of funny smell to it, you know, but other than that, good me I tell you, bro.
Hold on, girl. No, man. That tastes like doodoo.
How you go out without the charging? How you know we do the taste like?
The other day, I use the toilet.
Better you use the toilet than the toilet use you.
Listen to what I say, no, man. So when I'm done, right, I do what needed to be done and exit the bathroom.
A stage, him man say exit the bathroom.
So, brother, after I'm done, I sort out some things and then I go roll up the weed, right? Package them up and send them out.
Hey.
But my youth, may I tell you, hungry start beat me like blow out.
Hey.
So I have to head for the kitchen and make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, my youth.
Where you say PP and J? Yo, remember when me used to watch a cartoon and PP and J at time, you know? I bought it.
Dog, I'm gonna finish the story, may I tell you, no, man. Stop cut me out, no, man. One play, man.
Finish your story now, bad man.
I say, when I done make the sandwich, I'ma start eat it, cause hungry that bite me, you know, say, no, say me I eat the sandwich and the sandwich tastes good in a dog. And so I look on one side of my finger, this is some peanut butter and jelly on it. So guess what me do now? Like anybody else would I do, I just lick off that. But dog, when me lick it off, dog, I do, dog, do.
So weird there. I do the weed, that's all me.
I do.
It's epic out here.